Thank you. It's a pleasure to have the board in Birmingham and on the campus of UAB. And it's a privilege and an honor for me to be able to speak on behalf of the great people that make up UAB. And certainly UAB is thankful to our board for all of your unwavering support that has helped us make the progress that I'm going to report on today. Well, this is a historic year for us, our 50th anniversary. We were formed in 1969 as an autonomous campus in the University of Alabama system. The system was born in 1969, and so was the University of Alabama at Huntsville, joining the University of Alabama. Well, from the beginning, collaboration, innovation, entrepreneurship has been in the DNA of UAB and continues today, even though we're now a large institution. We relish in pushing frontiers in science, in the arts, and medicine, and really across all disciplines. And you can see a couple of pictures from the archives of about 50 years ago, and now on the bottom, modern science, modern medicine. We were honored to be ranked as the #1 young university in the country and top 10 worldwide by the Times Higher Education Programming, and we didn't know we were going to get this honor. It was a surprise, honestly, to me, but it's based on metrics. It's based on publications, citations, patents, research, etc. And we continue to set high goals. We feel it's our expectation to push the boundaries of knowledge, and we are very thankful for the partnership with our board, with our community, and across the state of Alabama. We will get things done, and we will pursue excellence. We were pleased to have our third straight year of record enrollment. We grew by about 5% overall, and you can see that it really was in all areas of our academic undertakings. We continue to make diversity a core value of this institution. We were pleased that our freshman class had 40% underrepresented minorities, with 64% female, and 29% were the first in their family to go to college. And we want them to be successful, get a world-class education, change their lives, change their families' lives, and change their communities. Our Honors College continues to grow and excel, and we had over 1,000 international students as part of our student body. We try to send as many of our students as possible abroad or to other parts of the country to learn from other people, to realize that we're all much more alike than we are different. So if we can't send them all across the world, we want to bring the world to UAB campus, and we want them to make lifelong partnerships, friendships, and collaborations that will drive the future of this country and world. We want to make our undergraduate and graduate programs relevant to the 21st century. We draw on the strengths of joining our School of Medicine with our College of Arts and Sciences and other disciplines. And we now have a bachelor's degree in immunology, one in genetics and genomic sciences, and medical sociology that draw on the strengths of this campus and prepare our young people for outstanding careers. This year, we created a Bachelor of Science in Bioinformatics and a Master's in Data Science, or Big Data. And to meet the needs of our community and our businesses, a Master of Science in Engineering Management. Our graduate programs continue to rank among the finest in the country and continues to grow, and we're proud of each and every one of these. Our research awards this year topped 500 million. We came in at 527 million, and about 400,000 or 400 million of that is federal funding, and we're appreciative of the opportunities that we have. We grew by 10% in our research funding, almost $49 million last year, and you can see that we rank among the finest institutions and universities in the country. Overall federal funding, we rank 15th. NIH funding, among public universities, we rank 8th, as does the School of Medicine. And overall, among all universities, we rank 20th in NIH funding, which puts us at the forefront. Our expenditures this past year top 560 million, and we rank among the top 5 in the Southeast, but that extends all the way up to Maryland, where Hopkins is, and past Texas in the West, and up to St. Louis, where Washington University is. Our School of Medicine, under the leadership of Dean Selwyn Vickers and his outstanding team and our outstanding faculty, have grown by over $100 million in additional research funded by the NIH in the last 5 years. There are 8 schools of medicine across the country that have grown by 100 million or more. And you can see that we were at the top from the standpoint of the percentage that we grew, almost 43%. You see that the company we're in is among the finest schools of medicine in the nation. So thank you, Dr. Vickers, for your leadership and for the outstanding team that you and we have put together. Our research really crosses many disciplines, from cybersecurity to engineering to certainly medicine, and developing new treatments for serious life-threatening diseases. We are fortunate in Alabama to have one of the finest health systems, hospitals, clinical areas in the country and in the world. We rank highly among U.S. News and World Report, 10 of our specialties among the top 50. The only one ahead of us was Duke, and Vanderbilt tied with us at 10. We have the longest live donor kidney transplant chain anywhere in the world, now over 100 being transplanted. Every one of them has saved their lives. Our transplant programs continue to excel and lead nationally and internationally. And certainly we're investing big in genomics and precision medicine, which really is at the foundation of the future of biomedical research and medicine. Following up on Mark's comments, we work hard on commercializing our ideas. And Dr. Kathy Nugent, who leads our Harvard Institute for Innovation Entrepreneurship, continues to help us excel. This past year, we had 9 startups that spun out, 2 student startups, 42 licenses, and 38 patents issued. And we were among the 20% of universities that have a tech transfer program that really has a positive bottom line, and we reinvest that in our mission. We're a lead partner for Innovation Depot, the most successful incubator in the Southeast. And you can see that it's full with 100 companies at any one time. They have a big economic impact that joins our economic impact, which now is over $7 billion. Our IT workforce program has trained almost 200 young people to give them an opportunity to have a job that will change their lives and their families' lives. And we are a part and an investor in our Velocity Accelerator at Innovation Depot. Over the last 2 years, it has created 16 startups, 70 jobs, and over $8 million in fundraising for capital. We were pleased this year to be recognized by the American Public Land Grant Universities as a economic driver among universities for our commitment to both economic and community development. Our partnerships extend into the community, into our schools around arts, and we certainly have had unprecedented support by our community for our athletic programs. We were very thankful in the leadership of Vice President Tom Brannan to reach our goal of $1 billion raised this past year. And we were very pleased to also have the O'Neill family invest in the future of our cancer center, which saves lives across Alabama and beyond. This support generated over 200 new endowed scholarships, over 100 endowed chairs and professorships, and our endowment, we are pleased, has grown over $500 million. And it's also helped us construct facilities. This is a look at the past, and here's what's happened with the leadership of UAB and the support of this board. We're changing certainly the skyline of Birmingham for the better. We've got some fabulous new facilities. Our School of Nursing is the finest instructional space in the country, with a full operating room, a full ICU bed, and a full hospital room where our nurses and others in healthcare train to be ready to enter the hospital. Our Collat School of Business is a wonderful facility, and thank you for your support. It really has transformed our business school. We are creating a new major in entrepreneurship and an MBA with a focus in entrepreneurship, and we want to train the young people who are going to lead these companies in the future of Birmingham. We're thankful for our new police and public safety headquarters, which gives us the opportunity to make sure we provide a safe environment for all of our students, faculty, staff, patients, and families. And we're trying to strive hard to build a greener and more sustainable campus and community. This year, in our 50th anniversary, we're going to plant 50 more trees across our campus and continue to make our campus sustainable. We were pleased to partner with the City of Birmingham and Alabama Power to win a grant to support a Smart Cities initiative. Well, talking about workforce and talking about preparing our young people, we are examining, as part of our strategic plan, our core curriculum, which hasn't changed in about 3 decades. And under the leadership of Provost Pam Benoit and our faculty, we are looking at this to make sure that we have a signature curriculum to prepare 21st century leaders. Also, as part of the strategic plan, we have decided to take on a grand challenge, something that's facing our communities, our state, and folks around the world. You can see the 6 finalist topics there, and they really address the things that matter to all of us. We look forward to having an external review of these 6 final programs, and we're going to award the grand challenge this summer, and we're going to invest seriously to try to help this be accomplished and also garner grant support and philanthropic support. So I want to thank our board for all that you do for us. I want to thank our leadership, our faculty, our staff, our students, our alumni, and our community for your great support of UAB. Thank you.